It is nothing but good news and good news and good news out in the cryptocurrency space right now, and I am excited about it. Why? Because we truly could be transitioning from a risk-off scenario right now into a risk-on scenario. And if that's the case, if you guys thought the bull market was here, you were wrong. We're gearing up for potentially the largest bull market that the cryptocurrency space has ever seen. Now, the prices are doing okay. But you understand that retail investors were not invested at the moment. And when they surge back in, prices are going to rip. We're going to go over the latest cryptocurrency headlines in this video, and we're going to be talking about Pepe Unchained. Because Pepe Unchained stands one of the best chances to gain during this upcoming bull market rally as retail investors search for that next meme coin gem. We're going to be talking about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description or the pinned comment. It's going to bring you up this website right here. It is safe, it is secure, and it is easy to click Connect Wallet. Now, I like to use Wallet Connect, but you guys got any of these options, and I open up the Trust Wallet on my phone, and then there's a QR code scanner up at the top. You click on it, and you scan this QR code here. All it does then is ask you to confirm that you want to connect to the website. Once you do, it is very easy. You simply determine how much you want to buy. So if you want to grab 5 Ethereum worth of Pepe Unchained, you are currently going to be walking away with 1.2 million Pepe tokens or Pepe Unchained tokens. Guys, 5 Ethereum, right? It might seem like a lot, but with the potential and the price predictions that are out there for Pepe Unchained, you could be making hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, I don't know what the future holds, but I do know what is happening at present. And right now, we are transitioning from a risk-off scenario to a risk-on scenario. Now, we've got a lot of news about DT and his newly released cryptocurrency venture, World Liberty Financial. That's all. That's great, right? It really is great. If he comes out there and he supports the cryptocurrency space and November goes in a certain direction, we could be seeing massive gains in cryptocurrency. But check this out. We've got central banks cutting interest rates. Now, this is not the European Central Bank cutting interest rates. This is all about the Federal Reserve here. Crypto poised for a boost if Fed cuts rates by 50 basis points, says hedge fund boss. Ooh, and it happened, baby. After Fed's interest rate cut, Bitcoin jumps amid renewed optimism. We'll talk a little bit about it. Fed rate cuts here, how Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana will react. Positive gains. Bitcoin and crypto stocks rise after the Fed rate cuts by 0.5 percentage point. Excellent news. Guys, here's what's happening, right? We're at the very beginning. The cryptocurrency market is about to explode, and you simply have to determine whether or not you are going to accumulate. Now, I believe that we could be in this area right here. October, November, right before rally. October, November, right before rally. October, November, right before rally. Now, we have seen, and you can see it, you guys can pull this graph up for yourself on your own computer if you want. But October, steady at 7, rises to 11. That's a 50% increase. You've got October, steady at 15, and then rises to 31, 100% increase. I do believe that we could see interest rising. Okay, interest in cryptocurrency, not interest rates, right? Interest rising into November here, which could lead to the bull market rally and the return of retail investors. Sentiment in the market right now is rising. It is still fearful, but it is going 32, 45, 49, and I would imagine by the end of the day today or as early as tomorrow, we are back into greedy territory. Prices could just be bottoming out. Prices could be gearing up to rally higher. And whales know this. Guys, if you check out one of the latest whale transactions on Pepe Unchained, somebody bought 23.5 Ethereum or 56,000. You know what? It's probably more than that now. Yeah, $57,000 worth of Ethereum in one single transaction on Pepe Unchained. Because the whales know that retail investors flock to memes. And Pepe Unchained is building just that. It's building a layer 2 blockchain focused on memes. And that's why it's been able to do nearly $14 million in inflows just in the last couple of months. This is gearing up to be one of the biggest layer 2 blockchains ready to be built. This is gearing up to be one of the biggest meme coins ready to launch. This is potentially gearing up to lead the bull market rally in terms of capital gains and percentage gains that are ahead of us. Look, guys, we're moving from a situation where interest rates were high and money was expensive to a situation where interest rates will be low and money is cheap. When that happens, people flock from risk-off assets like bonds, CDs, so on, savings accounts, to risk-on assets, stocks, cryptocurrencies, meme coins. I'm excited about it. I think that this could be the biggest bull market rally the crypto space has ever seen. I am accumulating like I have never accumulated before. I am ready for the gains to take place. Let me know if you guys are ready down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.